So guys, just click on the quick selection tool and just roll all over the subject's body to make the subject to be selected. Now you just press Ctrl via copy or directly Ctrl J from the keyboard to make a duplication of the layer. Now go to the file, click on open, and let's add the background. This background link I'll be giving in the description, so you can just download this background from the links down given in the description or from our website. Now just open that background, just drag it and drop over here. Now go to the edit, select the free transform and Ctrl T and just adjust the perspective in the way which you want your background to keep in the perfect way. So you can just adjust as your desired. Now go to the file, click on open, and let's add the table. So select the magic wand and just select the white and just select the inverse and only select the tables. So just drag it and drop over here. Go to the edit, select the free transform and just increase the size of the table and just adjust the table size in a perfect way. This is the very important thing, that you have to keep this as a perfection. So you have to place the table in a perfect way, and you can just crop the image for your Instagram upload. So select the 80:10 ratio, so it will be you can upload this size for your Instagram. You can adjust the background whatever kind of size you want. You can always do it by yourself. Now the next thing would be we're gonna do is just we're gonna make a first of all we're gonna crop the image, and let's just make a tilt shift on the background. So we're gonna blur the background. Just select the tilt shift and just increase the size of the blurriness from here, and you can add some bokeh effect from here if you want. Just to make a little bit of blurring, and hit OK. Now the next thing would be we're gonna duplicate the subject layer. Go to the free transform and just invert it, place there on the table, because we want reflection of the subject on the table. So it is very much necessary to create a reflection of the image of the model. So just place the duplication of that image in an inverted way, and just if you want to blur, but don't blur, I think just decrease the opacity of that image. So just reduce some opacity. First of all, we're gonna just remove that shadow or the reflection of the the table strokes or the table woods. So first of all we're gonna do is just paint it with the color of the hand. Now just place this image in a perfect way, so that your photograph may look more and more original, like a shadows. So this is the very important thing. First of all, let's just paint the table with that color. So you can use the pen tool to delete that portion in a perfect way. You can decrease the opacity and adjust in a perfect way so that it may look more and more realistic. Now let's add some kind of burn on the hand region. So select the burn tool and just add a little bit of burn process on the hand so that it may look like shadows perfectly. Now let's add some kind of face merging on the image. So just right click on it and select 50% gray and just make the blending mode to overlay and select the mixture brush and just smoothen your skin only a little bit. Don't add too much of smoothness, otherwise it may look more and more unreal, which you don't want. Just add a little bit of smoothness to enhance your skin and just make a very perfect. Now let's select the dot tool and just make a little bit of dodging and exposure to 8% and just add a little bit of dodginess on the head region and also on the cheeks region. Don't add too much of. Now you can also add some kind of burn tool on that region so that it may look, your face may look more chiseled. Now you can see the difference. Here was the before and here's the after. Now we're gonna reduce the opacity of this layer because it is looking too much of unreal. So we're gonna just do a little bit of dodging and burning, so we will reduce the opacity. Now all you have to do is just do some kind of blurring on the table. So we're gonna blur the background. Now just merge all the layers, select the crop tool and again select the go to the filter, select the camera preset or the camera filter and let's add some kind of preset to the image. This is taking too much of time, so we're gonna reduce the size of the image because it is too big. The size of the image is very large, so we're gonna reduce the size and then we will move to the add to the camera filter. Now you can add some preset from here. If this it takes a lot of time, then what I have told you that we're gonna reduce the size. So select the image size and we're gonna just reduce it to 15. Now you can easily turn your photo and just select any of the preset from here in a quick way. So let's select the black and gold preset. This preset I'll be giving you in the description, so you can just download that premium gray and gold preset from the links down in the description or directly from our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. Now let's select any of the preset from here. Let's select this black and gold preset. Let's select this preset. Now go to the hue and just make the skin tone to kind of yellowish color. It was actually very much reddish, so we're gonna enhance the skin color and just make it more real, like a yellowish red color, pinkish red color or pinkish yellowish color. You can always play with this red and orange hue and saturation option from the HSL tab until your skin becomes perfect tone which you want. So you can add some kind of vignette if you want, just a little bit of vignette, or if you don't want, just keep it as it is. You can increase the contrast and just make more shadows, decrease the shadows in order to get that crisp look on the image, and just turn the blackness over here. Increase the clarity, or let's just keep clarity to 0. Increase the vibrance and just decrease the saturation a little bit. Now your image is perfectly ready. Now just hit OK and we will just see how it actually looks. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button, and if you still not subscribed, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download all the stuff just for free. Also guys, we're gonna launch soon second website, filterpreset.com, so stay tuned on that website also guys. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome, and guys don't forget to stay tuned on our website.